Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you my scalloped potatoes recipe. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your potatoes into thin slices and make sure that you put them in a bucket of cold water immediately, or else your slices are just going to turn brown and gross and you don't want that. Then you're going to chop up your onion, and in this recipe I used habanero Munster cheese, but you could use whatever cheese that you want. It's entirely up to you, it's going to be the same. Now let's start on the roux. Melt some butter in a pan over medium heat and saute the onions you just chopped up and add in half a cup of flour. Mix it up and let it simmer until it starts to turn brown like this. If you need to add more butter, go ahead and do that because it needs to be like this kind of consistency that I'm showing you guys. Add in the 2 cups of milk and the 2 bay leaves, and now we can start seasoning our sauce. I used half a teaspoon of salt and 1 whole tablespoon of black pepper and another tablespoon of paprika. But I just love spicy food, but if you don't like eating things that hot, then just cut my measurements down in half. Look how good that looks, you guys. It smells so good. The best thing about this recipe is you could also use it for mac and cheese. All you have to do is just switch out the potatoes for pasta. Now I'm just adding in my cheese to let it melt, and we're all set. Next, you're going to oil up your pot or pan so it doesn't stick to the sides. You can use whatever you want to bake it in. I prefer using my cast iron skillet, but like I said, it's entirely up to you. The first thing you're going to do is to put your sauce down on the first layer. And then you're going to spread out your potatoes like this and make sure that there aren't any empty spaces or anything like that. Then you're going to put another layer of your sauce down, and I use it pretty sparingly for the second layer because I want to save it for my last one. You're just going to keep doing this, just keep layering until your skillet or pan or whatever it is you're using is all filled up. Make sure that every single crevice of this top layer is covered in sauce, or else you're going to have like dry spots. Cover it with aluminum foil. And now you're going to finally bake it at 250 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour, or whenever the potato is completely soft. And that's it. We're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tag me if you do decide to use it, and see you next time.